TCS is a large global system integrator. We are spread across over 50 countries. We have about 30 billion plus of business on an annual basis, and we serve multiple industries today. A lot of applications which are latency sensitive, which require real-time processing, it needs to be done on the edge, in this particular case, the far edge. AWS has been a great partner for us for several years, and we work very closely with AWS on multiple solutions. So we leveraged NVIDIA's Jetson, and Jetson provides the capability to host small language models or nano models, which was distilled and optimized to deploy at the far edge. There are a lot of models that needs to work on data which requires more higher degree of compute processing, which cannot be done on the far edge. For that, we leveraged AWS Outpost, the green grass, which provides the whole orchestration capability for the device. We leveraged Lambda functions basically for the whole orchestration layer, and of course Bedrock. Telcos can be the core orchestrators of this whole ecosystem, because they're one of the leading elements in this whole value chain, which can bring it together for the enterprise customers, and have this as a proposition to provide that beyond connectivity. In this particular case, we worked on solution which involved public surveillance, for instance, the traffic steering and monitoring in terms of detecting real-time collisions, which requires very real-time processing of data. And today, a lot of shift has happened with respect to the evolution of AI, and that is unlocking a new era of applications, what we call as SmartX applications, which powers the industry, right? The value chain segments of what this brings together, because today we talk about the processing, because we are able to produce very low latency response at the far edge here. We're talking about 2 to 3 seconds in terms of the latency. So that is a capability that the combinatory power of AWS and NVIDIA brings it for us to leverage those particular services here.